This quick video is about how to leave a blank tweet on Twitter in 2022, and this trick will work on both Android and iOS smartphones. Okay, let's quickly open any browser and type blank Unicode. Search, then open this first link compare.com. Now you will see this Unicode U plus 2800. If you did not see this means, just tap the search bar and type U plus 2800. Search. Likewise also you can find this. Okay, to copy this Unicode, long press on this empty box, then click copy. Let's close this and open Twitter and jump to the post you want to tweet. Then tap and paste it here. Then tweet. That's it. Now you successfully posted a blank comment on Twitter. I hope this video helps. Thanks for watching.